Educate.
Dictate or evaluate.
B.
So to dictate it, let me remind you, remember Latin roots. Dict in any word means you are going to say facts, to say rules, to say information. Plus ate for verb, just to remind me. We have a trap, evaluate. Are we going to evaluate it? No, it's not about evaluation. So it's letter B correct. Next.
مش عارف.
Let's follow the rules. That's why I told you memorize the Latin roots. NUL. NIL means no, means negate. Do you know what means negate? To prove that something wrong, to make it negative. Deny, look, it's from the verb deny. Estimate, you evaluate, you underestimate, you devalue. Ali, please focus here. Construe is to understand, miss to misunderstand. This is about Latin roots to guess the meaning. Now go to the structure. We test you for verb, for the subject finds object to help you to narrow. Now look, but for consumers, preposition phrase, far from. This is information to tell you more about the subject. High, intranational, no, intra, remember intra and Latin roots. Transport cost, could, so cost subject, could do what, verb, the price advantage, which is were associated with import. Consumers living far from ports. So the cost will what? The cost will nullify to make something not, to tell them that the price advantages is not important here. See that? Associated with import because we import something. So this is cost is out of your cost because you are living too far. But that means the letter A, correct. We are not talking about deny the price advantages because deny means to make it negative, to make it not existent. No, we are not talking about evaluating or explaining what are the price advantages. Wrong. I'm not talking about understanding the advantages or not. So follow the rules. Subject verb object can help you. Understood? So now nullify what means to negate, to undermine, to show that something not important, to make it little insignificant. So importing goods to a country can reduce consumer prices in that country. That's fine. So it's about economy. Later we'll study more about it. Be careful about the Latin roots intra and enter. The new intra within the country, inside the country. So
Mm,
inside the country, when we import goods from other countries to make
mm,
the price in our country stable. You feel it?
mm.
So be careful about the words and the terms. Look spatial because it was in a test before. And we have another terms. Yeah, it's about from the port. Yes, we know it. And the sub for Latin roots. Now it's your turn.
Create.
Letter what?
Create, see.
Correct. Next.
Distant from.
So what's it?
D.
Letter D. Correct. Follow the same way. Subject, verb, complement. Remember,
Mm.
like verb. Correct, Ali. You're a dangerous man.
Inexpensive.
You make it letter.
B.
Correct. Explanation.
Responsive.
Concept.
Mm.
Letter A. Correct.
choose.
Letter A correct. Make a challenge. If you answered correct, you will go for fun.
يعني ايه؟
If you answered correct, you will go to hell.
إيه؟
I mean hell, H-I double L. You go up to hell to enjoy, not hell, H-E double L.
مم. ايه؟
Final decision,
إيه؟
it's correct.